Hello guys, and welcome back to E106 tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing us how you guys can fix the Xbox error code E106, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys can do is click on the Xbox logo on your controller, head all the way over to profile and system, and then you're going to sign out. Once you do that, you can sign back in and you can check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method you guys can try doing is heading over to settings, going to account, and then from account, remove account. It's kind of similar to the first one. Remove your account and then add it back in. Check to see if that fixes the issue as well. And then the third method you guys are going to try doing is heading over to settings or general network settings, and then from network settings go to first test your network connection, make sure everything's working fine. Click on advanced settings. From advanced settings, just you're going to change the primary and secondary DNS. You're going to change the primary to 8.8.8.8 and the secondary to 8.8.4.4. Once you do that, you should be good to go. I would recommend turning off your Xbox or restarting it. It's really up to you. And once you do that, and once you turn it back on, you should be good to go. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.